Wicked weather again, happy to say. No wind, blue skies, my favourite day. Planes. And welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. I just wanted to do a quick update on the structure of the Ooni Koda. Some of you have been asking about what's the difference between the gas-fired Ooni Koda and the gas-fired rock box, or the rock box because it does wood as well. I just wanted to show you the difference in the structure of the two ovens, because I don't know if you can see that, but that's not the depth of the metal. There's a lip there. So actually the depth of the metal, if you can see it, is that. It's thinking about insulation, and I understand now, I think now I've got the rock box, I understand about insulation more with the ovens. This isn't how thick the metal is. That's a lip. Now this is the base of the rock box, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the two. You can see the depth of that base on this oven. That is actually the depth of the oven. There's no lip, it's insulated. I don't know how many inches is that? 1.5 inches? And you can't take the stone out, so if you see, it's all integrated into the oven. So I just wanted to show you the difference. Ready for the Koda. Okay, so I'm just going to measure this because I've been waiting about 10 minutes for it to get to temperature, and the middle is now suddenly gone from like 417 to 443, like within a minute, which is, I'm just going to turn it to medium. Okay. I'll just put this in now. I've been waiting around for a while, so it came off. So I had a bit of an accident with my pizza on my last cook, which kind of went really wrong. It was all my fault, and I just didn't launch my pizza in properly. And so what happened was that but it was like a tongue dripping down the front of the oven of dough, and it just was terrible. I couldn't get it off the front of the oven because it wasn't warm enough here, even though the stone was a lot hotter than it is right now. I couldn't get it off this bit. Anyway, it was very, very bad cook. So it's all my fault. So I'll have to show you what I did. So if you ever do it, well, don't. I'll just show you what I did so that you can see how good I am at ruining a pizza when I have an opportunity to. So hopefully I'm not going to do that today. See, look, I'm really letting this one go because I'm talking, I'm not concentrating. Sorry about that break in my phone. My phone overheated again, so I had to go and put it in the fridge. And I've got my other camera now, just to finish it off. Some that's pretty much done. Didn't take long. That's so nice. Yum. I haven't done a barbecue chicken one in a while. All those flavours really work together. The rocket, the mushrooms and the onions, it's very nice. Very tasty. I used the barbecue sauce. It's this. I'm not sure if it goes on chicken. It was supposed to be for beef, I don't know, but it tastes really nice with chicken. This again. So that was at 440 in the middle. I'll try that bit. So all of those seeping juices of onion, the barbecue sauce and the mushroom together. Really tasty pizza. Very nice. It's a nice Saturday barbecue pizza. Onions cooked beautifully.